Hi, my name is Mark Barton. I'm a seasoned software engineer with over 15 years of coding experience and a profound passion for cybersecurity. I'm recently Security Plus certified, having transitioned to focus on securing the digital landscape. In my previous software engineering roles, I successfully tackled security challenges, preventing potential threats and ensuring robust defenses. I bring a unique blend of software engineering expertise and deep cybersecurity knowledge. I'm eager to contribute my skills in threat analysis, pen testing, and incident response to your company. I'm excited and committed to enhancing your cybersecurity efforts. I'm confident in my ability to strengthen your team. I'd love to have a chance to contribute to your company in just a few minutes. I'll show you what I did in my cybersecurity training class using a tool called Nmap. Okay, let me see. Okay, so for my Capstone project in for Savvy Coders, I created a Python script that does a Nmap port scanner. From what I understand inside of the real world, you need to know what ports are going to be open and where you may be vulnerable. So what I did was I just made a quick Python script that scanned my personal IP address at home from my own network, and I used 3,000. I did it from port 1 to port 3,000 just for the sake of time. And it gives me an output of all the open ports that are in my network with a little bit more information on what services are running on that port. This would be a useful tool for any company to know if they have any vulnerabilities inside their application or in their network, and which ports need to be closed and which ports need to be open. In this particular scan, I got port 443 and port 80 open, which we know 443 is a secure protocol and port 80 is a secure protocol using HTTPS, and port 80 is just a regular web server protocol. Then I got another port that's open, port 53. So, and I got another one that's port 111. So this is just a basic Nmap scan, and it can be useful for a home network, and it should not be used without permission. You should never scan without getting permission. And that's it.